Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to do for the categorize and run in command line. These are the two concepts we are going to learn about it. For categorization, you can able to see here. Okay, and you can see categorization. Yeah, here the categorization. Specify one or more categorizing for the test. Categorization is nothing but you can see for in real time we are using for parallel run execution, not parallel run execution. It's like a group of test cases into one particular section. Nothing but like in a real time, you can say smoke suit, sanitary suit, regression suit, like that we can able to. You need to specific test case you need to run with the specific name. That moment, this categorization it will work. Okay, this attribute help you to where exactly you can able to specify and how you can able to run those test cases by using our command line. Even in that pipeline also you can able to easily integrate and easily can able to run it. Okay, how you can able to do, right? And these are the two test cases we have. Okay, one is login and another one is test demo. Okay, and completely this one also sand. Okay. Now I'll mark into a one. I'll do this one into a copy paste. It's a one. Okay. I'm not going to make that into a dependency. Just I will mark it into. Okay. Okay. Normal way approach I have copy pasted. Okay. Now we can make it into category. Okay. In this category, we can able to say smoke. Okay. This one will make it a regression. Okay, and the same category again I'm copying for here as well. This is my smoke, and here is my sanity, and this is my regression. Okay, now I made it for a group of test cases. Okay, I have to run this all the things into command line, right? Now we can tools dot net test. If you run, it will automatically it will get all together and it will start for test cases. See, all the test cases got tested and even remaining things also it will start. Okay, because we have created for two n unit test cases, right? It will run for all the n unit test cases without any static. Okay, what are the things we have done? All the things it will do it. Okay, and I don't want to do for all the things and all. You can close now. Okay, I'm not going to because it will take a lengthy. Okay, that's why I don't want to do. Okay, again I'm going to tools and again command line. Okay, developer command lines. Even terminals also you can able to use. This also you can able. Anything you can able to use. Okay. Now I want to use for dot net test. Okay, test hyphen of filter hyphen filter double quotation inside that category. Okay, equal to which category you want to use it. I want to use for a regression category. I'm going to use for regression. Okay, and I'm going to enter. Now you can see there are only two test cases it will run. One is login and another one is a sheet. See, done. So it is running all the things. Yeah. Regression we mentioned from the top, right? Because of that, it is called for everything. If you use for smoke, it will run for smoke related stuff. Okay. See here, it is given the frost and 3 and 10 seconds. It is taken. Everything it will provide. Okay. Next video session, we can able to see for data driven approach also, like data from the Excel sheet, we can able to get it and we can do that. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.